We'll guide you through how to clear Dropbox and free up some space. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com, then log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side and click on Files. Here you'll see all your stored files and folders. To clear space, you need to delete unneeded files. You can do this by clicking on the file or folder you want to remove, then click on the Delete button at the top. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete. Click Delete to confirm. Remember, deleted files are moved to deleted files and not immediately removed from your storage. So next, go to Deleted Files on the left panel. Here, select the files you want to permanently delete and click Permanently Delete. Confirm your choice, and this will free up storage space. If you have a lot of files, consider using the search function to quickly find and delete specific items. Another tip is to regularly check shared files as they also take up space. If there are shared files you no longer need access to, remove them to save space. By keeping your Dropbox organized and removing files you no longer need, you can efficiently manage your storage space. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.